Creating sites is easy to do in MAPCON. In this tutorial, we will look at how to add sites to your MAPCON system. It's important to know the difference between a site and a zone. A site can be thought of as a separate physical location. For example, a company might have two plants, each in a different city or even a different country. Each plant can be considered a site. A zone, on the other hand, is a specified location, such as a building or room within that site's campus. Zones are exclusive to MAPCON Pro, whereas sites are available in both the Pro and Lite versions of MAPCON. To learn more about zones and how to set them up, watch our video tutorial on zones. Being able to add different sites within a CMMS can be a time and money saver for companies. One system to maintain. Instead of each site having to worry about their own system, all sites will be integrated into just one. This will greatly increase organizational efficiency by combining all maintenance data while also allowing users to see and work only with data applicable to their site. In many cases, maintenance workers at one site will probably not require access to the list of equipment from another site. Administrators can use MAPCON to filter the data so that maintenance workers will only see information for their site. Centralized inventory management. Since all sites are part of the same CMMS system, inventory can be centrally managed and reported on. Users can be given access to view inventory for multiple sites if needed. As an example, if an inventory item is needed at one site, users can view inventory from other sites and see if the required item is available. Users can then submit a request to have it sent to their site, which can save them the cost of having to purchase and order it from an outside source. Centralized purchasing for increased buying power. A single purchase order can be created to a vendor in order to buy parts for multiple sites, instead of creating separate orders for each site. This can lead to possible discounts for bulk orders. Sites can be established as early as the initial setup of your MAPCON system. By default, all MAPCON systems come with one available site. Additional sites can be purchased as needed. When opening the Setup Wizard, the company setup screen is displayed. This screen can also be accessed from the main menu by clicking Setup at the top of the screen and then clicking the Set Up Your Company Organization button. The company name should already be populated. Next, click Site Setup. Here, users can input a name or a number to serve as their site ID, as well as a short description for the site. After those are filled in, either click Finish or Next to continue on to other steps in the Setup Wizard. Viewing or editing information on sites can be done on the Site Data Entry page, which is accessed from the main menu by selecting the Admin menu, the System Setup menu, Site and Zone menu, and then selecting Site. Once there, we see our already created sites. If users have paid for additional sites and want to add them to their system, the New Record button at the top can be clicked. Data from existing sites can be viewed or edited by double-clicking them. Once a site is selected, we can view or input information such as time zones and time format, as well as assign which zones fall under the particular site. Establishing zones will be covered in our tutorial on zones. Once all the desired information is submitted, click Save Record. Now, when entering information about an asset, a site can be assigned to it, designating where that asset and its associated work orders and requests belong. For these tips and more, check out MAPCON Technologies on social media. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.